Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share with you one of the specific question types within Canvas New Quizzes called the hotspot question. A hotspot question is a way for teachers to upload a specific image, and then students are going to be able to click and select an area within that image to demonstrate what they know or to answer the question that you prompt them with that goes along with that particular image file. You can add a hotspot question just like any other new quiz question, like a multiple choice or a fill in the blank, only this time you would select hotspot from the available options. Some of the benefits of using these hotspot questions is that it really increases student engagement because we are catering to our 21st century learners. They're very visual, and we're going to be able to provide them a wider range of real-world applications and scenarios. So we're really expanding the different answer choices beyond your traditional kind of multiple choice A, B, C, or D to select from. Once you've selected the question type hotspot, you're going to upload or just drag and drop the image into the question stem area. And you can see the types of image files that are going to be compatible with New Quizzes hotspot questions. Once you have the image, you have the option to select within that image the area that you want Canvas to recognize as being the correct area within that image. So the target space that you want students to select as the correct answer. And you have a lot of different options. You can select a square region or an oval to get more of a circular type shape. And there's even a polygon so that you can get very specific and create the exact outline of the image that you're trying to get students to select. So let's get some ideas and some inspiration for how you might consider incorporating hotspot questions into your next Canvas New Quiz. One of the question types that works really well with a hotspot is a user interface. So in this case, we have a piano keyboard and students are asked to select the specific key within that keyboard. Or maybe it is a calculator and you're asking students to select which button they would need to press to perform a certain function. So something to kind of mimic a real world example works really great with hotspot questions. Diagrams work really well. In this case, we've used the circle tool or the oval tool to identify the correct answer for where Earth is. And this also is a great application for geography to look at different maps and other diagrams. And you can see that this one used the polygon tool to really kind of specify the outer regions and perimeter of that lake. Also, these hotspot questions are really great for data analysis. This isn't the most elaborate graph example, but it gives you an idea that you can ask students to analyze a graph and select a specific area or region of that graph to respond to a question, or even look at the structure of the graph. What is the variable on the x-axis or the y-axis, etc. Then this is just a graphical multiple choice question, so there are various regions within a single picture that students can select from instead of having a traditional kind of A, B, C, D to select from. So it's very visual and is really great for our 21st century students to kind of demonstrate what they know. So I hope this gives you some ideas to get you started, and I hope you have fun playing around with the Canvas New Quizzes hotspot questions.